Good afternoon, guys, and welcome to today's vlog. We finally made it here. I'm off of Lake Conroe, near Montgomery and all that, or in Montgomery, one of the two. Here's some footage of us heading here all the way from Euless. So let's go. Alright, so now that we're on vacation and everything for the 4th of July and stuff, we are on vacation, Riley. So we had to go to the pool, of course. I'm using my GoPro right now because I didn't want to get my other camera stolen. That's like more expensive and stuff. So I just brought my GoPro and like hid it somewhere. But we went, and now it's golf cart time. So the fireworks are about to start. Let's watch the fireworks. guys, I don't know if you can. Okay, well, I'm just gonna speak up a little bit, but it is the end of the day. It was a good day today. We came down all the way from Euless, Texas to Montgomery, Texas, and I'm at my grandparents' house. I'm in like a laundry room right now, but we're doing some stuff tomorrow, so be looking forward to tomorrow's vlog. There were fireworks tonight that I filmed because they did it tonight for some reason. I don't know why. Happy 4th of July, because this will come out on 4th of July. So hopefully you have a great 4th of July and have the good rest of your day.